I have a bit of a busy day today. Yeah. I want to... First of all, I want to have breakfast. I'm hungry. And what time is it? It's currently 11:15. And I need to go brush my teeth, make something to eat, and then deal with my hair. Yeah, we're gonna take it one step at a time. So, I have to go brush my teeth, first of all. Yeah. That's it. Girl, you know I love the way you shape it in jeans. I feel alive. I gave Auntie the pillow cases to wash just before you guys think I'm ghetto.
So much I wanna talk about, but I ain't got no one to talk to.
The day I get a bigger room, I am going to be over the moon, and you guys are gonna be so sick of me. You're gonna be so sick of me. But I gotta do what I gotta do with what I have. My man.
Always trying to work it out. Somehow it always falls through.
I've been meaning to put a button on my dad's shirt for a few months now. I'll do it when I come back. Lint, Master Chocolate hit. This is random, but I've never been so grateful to not have to shave my legs. And then tidying my room up wasn't even much to tidy up because I'm not messy. Okay, my desk is a little all over the place, but yeah. Let me take care of that.
And I know that I can love, but I just wanna feel love sometimes. Tell me I can touch you, don't lie.
So I am going to the guest room because there's way more space there to wash my hair and film and all that. So, by the way, look, these are all my shower things, and I put them in a plastic because I don't have a shower bag. Yeah. So let's go. Let's take the shortcut instead of going all the way around the house. This used to be my room when my siblings used to stay here, but yeah, I love this mirror. First and foremost, I need to wash my hair. I need to put my phone down. I'm supposed to be vlogging for TikTok as well. well. But I literally only have like one proper phone. The other phone is just there for vibes shit. Like when my phone is charging, I use it to like go on Instagram or watch TikToks or just play games on my phone. Yeah. So once this YouTube thing takes off, I'm going to buy a camera strictly for vlogging and then my phone for TikTok. Why are you wobbly? Stop it. Okay, there we go. Okay, this is just wobbly because of this. Okay, so this is going to be my setup. And I'm gonna be washing my hair. It's so stuffy in here, I can't breathe. Here's you. Okay, I need to stop yapping and get in the shower. I hope I don't flash anyone. But let's see what it's gonna look like. First I'm going to wash my hair, obviously, and then after that, I will wash my body and then do my skincare and then get out of here and go finish doing my hair. So my boots are gonna be out. Oh my god, I'm gonna show what boots. Oh wait, it needs to go down higher. Okay, let's see. Okay, it's gonna be fine. It's gonna be fine. All right. Okay, I'll just leave it here. Since I'm filming for YouTube and TikTok, let me pause here. Let me quickly film for TikTok, and then we'll be back. So after rinsing off, you put your hair back in twists, and then you just rinse off all the still in twists, and you squeeze out the remaining water in your hair. And then this. Now I just need to shower. I'm done. All that's left to do is blow dry and style my hair. I'm so excited. I've been in this shower for just a little over an hour now. I think it's been like an hour, 15 minutes or something like that. But yeah, let me shower and I'll talk to you guys when I'm done. So, I'm done showering and now I need to film a TikTok of me doing my skincare and maybe getting ready, and then like getting ready is in picking out an outfit and then doing a little I'm back in my room. You can definitely tell. And now it's time to pick out an outfit. I've already done my skincare, put on lotion, and And now the question is, what am I going to wear tonight? Yo guys, my skin is glowing. What time is it? Auntie needs to knock off very soon. Damn, she's still gonna be here for some time. I thought I was in there for a long time, but clearly not. I have no idea what I'm gonna wear. Should I wear a dress? Let me look up inspo on Pinterest. Hold on. So I was able to find what I am going to wear tonight. I went through a whole bunch of outfits, and then I'm gonna be wearing this, but you will see it later. Now it's time to do my hair. It feels like it's drying up, so I need to do this as quick as possible. I won't be able to vlog because the thing is very noisy, and I don't know where I'm going to put this camera when I'm like because there's not enough space for me to do all that. So yeah, let me just show you the before and then the after. Okay, my hair is still a little wet. That's nice. Yeah, so this is the before, and I will show you the after. Let me show you the dryer that I used. Hot airbrush. I got it from Take a Lot. I don't remember how much it cost, but yeah, just look it up because literally the same one at Clicks is so expensive. At Clicks it's like 800 and something, 900 and something. This one I got it for less than 300 rand. So I didn't clean this thing after using it last time. Look, it still has like crazy. But yeah, let me deal with my hair, and I will talk to you guys when I'm done. Jiggy, I'm styling my hair. Next thing you know, I'm cutting bangs. They look cute though. Don't worry, they're even. It's just the way I curled my hair. But yeah. Don't do this. Don't do this. I hate how I'm trying to thingy these ones, curl them, but they won't cooperate. Yeah, let me just put them back. Yeah. We shall continue this later. It's not even that serious for me to be cutting bangs. It's just dinner. But anyways, cutting bangs is never really something you think about for a long time. Anyways, guys, I think bangs suit me. Okay, all right. I'm falling in love. This thing is lopsided. I have bangs now, but I have natural hair. So once this hair here is gonna be shorter than this one. This looks cute, yeah, but that means once in a while I will have to do bangs. But this is cute. Let me call my boyfriend. He's gonna be so shocked. My dad is making me rush out, but I'm done. I'll show you the outfit when I get back. My bangs are now puffy because of the humidity. humidity. But either way, I think they held up pretty good. But yeah, let me show you the outfit. This was a very cute last minute outfit and I loved it. These stopped being curly and they were just all over the place, so I had to like tuck them at the back. But yeah, overall I had a really good day. The dinner was delicious. I forgot to take a video for YouTube, but I did take a video for the TikTok vlog. I will include it some way, somehow. But this is it. This is the end of the vlog. Thank you guys for watching. And now I have to edit the vlog. I'm so tired. But I might edit it halfway and then post it tomorrow. Well, yeah, we'll see. We'll see how I do it. But thank you guys for watching. And oh, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Please. In fact, most of you watching are not subscribed to my channel. Come on. But please, thank you guys for watching. I love you. Wait, I'm sorry, but I want to see how this looks. Ooh. Okay. Thank you guys for watching. I love you all. By the way, we reached 100 subscribers. Oh my gosh. I love you guys. I've been doing this for like 2-3 months. Nah, I started in December. It's been 2 months. And I already have 100 subscribers. You guys. Oh my gosh. Thank you. Thank you. The little family is growing. Oh, it's not little anymore. It's like 100 people. But anyways, thank you guys. Okay, this is